8 Troubleshooting steps to fix screen distance on iPhone and iPad. Make sure to turn on the screen distance feature. Open Settings and go to Screen Time. Tap on Screen Distance. Tap Continue twice. Clean the dynamic island or notch. The dynamic island or notch holds your iPhone's true depth camera. They are located at the top middle of the screen. If the screen distance feature doesn't work, clean the dynamic island or notch to get rid of any dust or small debris that might obstruct the camera. Turn off assistive access. Press the power button 3 times when your iPhone is in the assistive access feature. From the list, tap on Exit Assistive Access. Enter your assistive access passcode to exit. Check your iPhone case and screen protector. Sometimes, the device case or a screen protector can cover up some parts of the true depth camera, preventing screen distance from working. Check if the device case, screen protector, or both don't obstruct the camera's view. If it does, remove the protector or the case and change them. Reset Face ID. Open the Settings app, go to the Face ID and Passcode settings, and enter your password. Locate the Reset Face ID option, and tap on it. Select Set Up Face ID, tap on Get Started and follow the instructions to set up Face ID again. Update the iOS. Go to the Settings app and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap on Upgrade Now. Reset all iPhone settings. Open the iPhone Settings app, then go to the General Settings. Go to the bottom of the menu and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and tap Reset All Settings. Enter the passcode and confirm the action. Reset iOS to factory settings. Before resetting iPhone to factory settings, back up your data. Open the Settings app and tap on General. Scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Erase all content and settings. Tap on Continue and follow the instructions on the screen. When the reset is done, set up your device and restore the backup. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.